So you guys are probably wondering on what that video was all about. And as it says on the bottom, I don't know if it's here or it's here or somewhere, it says that that is not my video. Not even my logo that was on the bottom. And I know you guys can read, and it says Graphitee. This video is all about them because it's a sponsored video. Before we move on to the rest of this video, I just want to give a quick shout out. First, Imprint Customs for this lovely sexy shirt, Tian. And second of all, you guys see this helmet. You guys have seen me wear this helmet. I know you guys can notice this. I use the Sugru, and I want to give a shout out to right there. I hope you get it. The Tech Smart P8. They sell it by the pack. I mean by the sachet. One sachet is like 250. Go get yours. Third and lastly, I want to give a shout out to Spider. Here's their logo, Spider. Yeah. For hooking me up with this awesome shades. You guys have probably seen me wear this in a couple of my vlogs. Awesome, right? If you guys are following me on Instagram @_JMAC86_, you have probably seen my story from the other day. And I posted a picture. I went to the Spider store. For y'all who's following me there, you guys know exactly what I'm talking about. Get it? Follow me there. Yeah. Time to move on to the video. You guys can watch the whole thing or whatnot. You can skip to the end, whatever you want. I know you guys won't do that. I got some cool shit on this video, and I'm sorry I keep cursing, but that's life. And I'm gonna explain to y'all how you can purchase a helmet with a 10% discount, and I'm gonna tell you how you can get this sticker. See you later. Enjoy the motovlog.
Hello! Yeah! What the? Why are you stopping there? Everybody! Everybody, Sadu. Whoa. Sadu. Kinda, well, not kinda. It's a shitty day, but it doesn't look like it's going to rain. So, let's roll with it, baby. Let's roll with it. For the views! Thank you, thank you. Commonwealth, baby. Ooh, first one. Mexico. I saw, dude. Ooh, a chocolate monster. The best place to be, y'all. Come on, give me a clear sky, dude. They were just so sunny earlier. What's dude? I don't know who that is, but what's dude? Come on, dude. I hate the circular. Woo! North Avenue. Man, the road here is gone. Well, not gone, but turned to one lane. I apologize for the lighting of this video, since it's a crappy day. Crappy day. I can smell rain. I can definitely smell rain, so I don't know what's gonna happen. My GoPro isn't waterproof casing. Oh shit, road is wet too. So I guess it rained here. JMAC leveling up for the views. What's up, dude? Yeah, unfortunately we are taking EDSA, or I am taking EDSA, since you guys are not here with me. Y'all just watching, but still I'm going EDSA, I'm using EDSA, I'm taking EDSA, and y'all coming with me. You had your signal lights on, so it's all good. Unlike that bus. Yeah. Whew, sorry. Yo, dude. Damn. Yo, ticket bus. Uh-oh. I can see raindrops on my helmet.
Raindrops are falling on my head.
What? And I'm using my white shoes too. Dang it. This is so bad. It is raining. There it is. There's the shello. Pasilong muna ako. Cut this camera out for now. I'm not going for a while since it's raining. I don't want to be like basang-basa sa ulan kind of moment. So, see you guys later. That's what, an hour later? An hour. Bike life. The vlog must go on. If a little rain will stop you, then, well, actually it's not a little rain. It rained really hard. Well, not that hard, but let's do this. For the view. Woo! Sorry guys, no Speedy Gonzales today.
God damn it! My feet are taped to the bicycle on this one!
Oh, no, I mean it. No Speedy Gonzales today. I know I have new tires, but I can't risk it. Woo wee! Woo wee! What's going on? Ah! That's what causing the traffic. Oh man! Water! My backpack's gonna be my backpacks. My backpack's gonna be all muddy and wet and you know, for the views. That smells good. Ironically, I'm going to where that dark cloud is. I gotta go slow. See, I told you I can't do a Speedy Gonzales. Many of you guys are asking about this hoodie. Unfortunately, it's not for sale anymore, but if enough of you order this, probably I can put it back in the market. Woo! Now I'm scared. Yes, I know. I heard you the first time. Stop telling me what to do, Waze. Actually, she has to tell me what to do. Otherwise, I wouldn't know where to go. I hate this roundabout, dude. Thank you. Sarot! Oh! Ayun na! Yun, no? Ha? Ha? Di kita marinig eh. Nabotas. Saan ka? Tara. Alam mo yung graffiti?
Dito ako sa loob eh.
Ha? I can't hear what he's saying because I have my earphones on. Tahoo! Uh-oh. Senior citizens. Ano pangalan mo? Di ko na pangalan mo eh. JR! Saan pupunta ka yan?
Hindi na, nabotas.
Sige. O, sundan mo na ako kung doon ka sa way ko. Sabay tayo. JR, shout out to you, dude. Subscriber ka ba? Okay. Saan doon?
Lalagpas ka ba ng Caltex pag ano mo?
Lalagpas ako ng tulay eh. Ano ba, may tulay? Doon ka rin ba? May mimit kasi akong babae. Babae sexy. Yeah, definitely haven't been here. Sorry. I don't know who that guy is, but you know, sorry. So I'm guessing this is Navotas. Dito lang pala yan, dire-diretso na pupuntahan ko. Saan ka ba nakatira? Dito lang din?
Girlfriend ko.
Girlfriend mo? Ayaw mo sumama sa akin? May kaibigan yan, isa. Sexy. Sorry. You see right here, I'm going to Graphitee Motobox and Accessories for the views. There you go. Ups, yeah. Baby crossing. Well, okay. I wonder why it's so traffic. Friendly people here. It says there I'm close. Where is it? It's supposed to be on the left. Oh, I see it. Yahoo! Here we go. Here we go. Woo! Oy, thank you. Shout out to you, dude. Team Graphitee. Ikaw si
Galvin, ako yung na-PM mo talaga nung una.
okay. Galvin, iksa. Hey! Ito, nakikilala ko to. Oh, ito nga yun. In case you're wondering, this is where I bought this helmet to these guys. I don't know if you know, but yeah, this episode is sponsored again. Team Graphitee. Oh shit. So there you go. Well, obviously they specialize in helmets and stuff. Hey! Una ko lang. Ikaw si... okay. Ayan, si ano. Ito yung Team Graphitee. Ikaw si Michael. Kasi nga pangalan ng Facebook. They got variety of. They have a lot of shitload of helmet. Lots of helmet, boots, top boxes. They got shocks. They got everything. Gloves, sweet ass gloves. The thing that you may notice here is they got a lot of helmet. That's what they specialize. I'll switch you the camera.
This is Michael, the owner, one of the owners of this awesome establishment. I can vouch for their helmet because, like I said, this helmet galing sa kanila. He's one of the owners here as well. Apparently, tatlo kayo. Nagahati-hati dito. Ano mo dito?
Sir, rider, lahat. Rider, sir, mga supplier, lahat.
Lahat yung mga single na. Ayun o. Thank you, Team Graphitee. Represent. Tuwing kailan ba kayo open?
Every day, 10 to 8.
Until Sunday. They're open from Monday to Sunday. From 10 to 8. It's raining again.
Kasi rin may mga special na late pa, 8 p.m., di ba? Later pa kayo, message lang, pwede namin antayin.
Kayo, wala pa kayong helmet. I will link their Facebook link down in the description and I'll flash it on the screen. Yo, naalala kita, yung helmet. Ito, nag-deliver sa akin. From here, napuntas to, di ba? Road all the way to QC just to deliver me the helmet.
Dalawa sir, sa akin. Pero sir, huwag kayo mainit.
Sa'yo naman, iba naman to. Okay. So sa'yo itong jacket.
Lahat ng
Okay.
ipad.
Nipad. Meron sila dito, nipad.
Dr. Mas, yan. Ito po yung sa malalakas nito.
Ayan, mga mas. So anong pinaka best seller nyo na helmet? Anong brand?
Sa ngayon sir, naka-focus kami kay Alpine.
Okay.
Next is yung Eliswaro. Ito yung deliver ko kahapon sa Taytay.
Ayan, di na busy. Ikaw yung isang may-ari. Ayun, si G.
So yun yan boss, may papareview namin sa'yo boss, si Tony Elias.
Tony Elias daw.
Yan. Yan sir, bibigyan natin si boss JMAC ng isang Tony Elias.
Ayan,
Yan sir, ang latest ni SGC ngayon, CS50. Siyempre ka, which is 5.3. Pero single visor pa lang yun, additional sa 1.6. Curtain. Yan ang ano natin, papareview kay Boss JMAC. Sa Boss JMAC, susuotin mo to ha?
Wala problema.
May ano tayo dyan, may konting merenda ha, pinagandaan ka namin.
Ayun, sabi nyo, nag-floor wax kayo.
May katawan natin, no? Pare-pares tayo.
Pagkapares tayo ng ink.
Ay, ang t-shirt nyo, for sale din ba yan?
Yes. Ay, ito.
Ano ba?
450.
Oh, 450. Oh, yan, yung likod, oh. Steak.
Suicide Squad.
Pretty
only sir.
Pretty soon, makikita nyo yung logo ni JMAC dyan. Yung referral na pag napanood nyo dito in my channel. O sige, sabihin na. Pag napanood nyo itong video na to, not only that you will get my sticker, bibigyan ko sila ng sticker ko. JMAC sticker. And plus, they will have
10% discount on any items ni Graphitee.
lahat. Kayo magbibigay nun sa kanila. Bibigyan ko yung sticker.
Tapos pag alam nila sir, JMAC ang password.
Oo.
Yung maganda. JMAC ang password.
Hindi, mag-iisip ako ng hashtag doon.
Yun, maganda. Tapos 10%.
10%. With all brands. Pati TV, gusto nyo? Lahat.
TV box,
TV
ears,
box,
rainbow.
Lahat ng pinakita ko sa video, lahat. Yan, Tagalog ko na.
Basta walk-in lang boss ha. Sa walk-in tayo.
Walk-in lang daw. So, kailangan magpunta sila dito.
Yes. Para makapili na rin.
So, punta tayo rito.
So, that wraps everything up and it's raining. This is gonna be an interesting ride. Now, you know what? I'm not gonna use the gloves. I'm not using the gloves for the views. Oh yeah, riding home. What? Graphitee. I will leave a hashtag here or somewhere. I'll flash it right here, everywhere. 10%. That is a lot of percent if you ask me. Head over there at Graphitee Motorbox. Boss, saan yung papuntang C4? Alright, we're back on the main road. This episode is brought to you by Graphitee Motorbox. Aksidente ka, Brad. Drop, ilong ko nagpalit. Oh, that was close, dog. Kaya siya dito. Someone called my name, so it is my responsibility to stop. Eh! Dito pala. Oh! Ano pangalan mo?
Shoutout sa mga taga-UI.
Oh, taga-UI. Oh, picture! Ano?
Salamat kuya.
Ay! For the views! Huli ka, balbon. Huli, huli. Now you turn. Oh, thank goodness I'm on a motorcycle. What's up, dude? Oh, sige, bati! Ano? Ano pangalan nyo? Pauwi na. Galing ako na botas eh. Oh, sige, sige. Okay. Sige, sige, ingat, ingat. For the views. Oh, pabira traffic. Oh, doon lang pala. Woohoo!
Now you guys finished the video. How do you guys like it? Graffiti, dude. Graffiti. Graffiti. So, this helmet. That's where I got this helmet. Go follow them on Facebook, dude. If you don't know them, really impossible because they've been around for quite some time. You guys should like their page, follow their page. They got cool helmet over there. They got some cool stuff over there too. Most of all, they got the coolest stuff there. I can tell you that right now, hands down. I've seen them, I've talked to them, I've hang out with them. Pretty cool. I'm barely opening the shirt. See, here's the back of it. Yeah, there you go. Graffiti. Watch the entire video. You guys have probably heard how you can get a 10% discount from all of their products. All. I mean, that's pretty cool, dude. 10%. You buy a helmet, you get a discount. That's pretty cool. Other than the 10%, you will also get these by just watching this video. I still need to give you the hashtag, which is Yo JMAC Graffiti Me. That's the hashtag. Show them that. You will instantly get your 10% discount and my sticker. That's awesome, right? Where's the shop, right? It's in the Botus. And what you do is go to this. Hang on. Go to Waze or something and type in if it's gonna work. And I bet it's gonna work, you know. Internet sucks. If you type in graffiti, that's gonna come out right there. They told me I was gonna try out a helmet. Thank you guys. You guys are awesome. I wanna give you guys a kiss, a hug. Stop. Oh, they also have lenses. Here it is. Here it is. Where the hell's my hammer? They graciously gave me to test out. Expect to see these helmets in my future vlogs. I'll be surely use this. Oh, so sexy. And this helmet costs 5,300 pesos. But if you buy it from them, you guys will know how to get that 10% discount because you guys watched that 5,300 minus 10%. Yeah. 10% off. And I was so happy with that 10% off that I myself got another one. Dude, I purchased another one. Woo. I got my 10% discount. Thank you guys, Graffiti. I also got a JMAC sticker. What are you waiting for? Go to their shop. Another visor. I have the pink one. There you go. Yes. This helmet costs around 4,500. Actually, this is Mrs. JMAC's helmet. Alright, let's try to put it on. Here it is. Yeah. Babe! Come here! Now, babe! Wear it. Come on. Wear it. They're open from Monday to Sunday, 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. You guys might want to go down there on a Sunday. Because, yeah, they're open on Sunday and the road is smooth as butter. Yeah, there you go. Woo. No, wear it now! Ipapakita ko nga sa mga audience. Go! Halika dito. Come here, my loves.
awesome.
Cool, right? Alright guys, that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget the hashtag JMAC Graffiti me and show it to the guys over there, and they will give you a 10% discount off on every purchase that you make. Helmet, visor, all of that. You get my sticker. FYI, this table is awesome. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys on Wednesday. Wednesday. Baboosh!